Thanks, Joe. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so much fun. Can't wait to see that. Well, something else is going to keep you smiling, which is so important, is our doctor here, dentist John Heimke from Oral Design Cleveland. Thank you so much for coming on. You are literally changing lives one smile at a time.
It's my pleasure to be here.
That's amazing. So talk about, you're not just a dentist, you're an architect, basically. You can design the whole smile based off the facial structure, but talk about the smile makeover.
Well, the smile makeover, what we do is we interview the patient, and then I'm looking at the facial characteristics, the eyes, where they're positioned, nose position, chin position, skin tone, hair color, and plus I'm interviewing the patient and kind of finding about them what they're all about. And then I take that and I synthesize that, and then I design the smile. And from there, we create prototypes, and then from the prototypes, I fine-tune it, and we create the final ceramic.
Wow. So what is the digital smile, the 2D, DSD, how does that work? And basically walk me in from when a client comes in the door till the end of the process.
Exactly. Well, a new client comes into the office, and like I said, we do an interview, we're examining their face, and then I'm looking at the teeth, and I'm coming up with the smile, how I want to do it, and I use a type of software program called Digital Smile Design, and what I'm able to do is take a photograph of the patient, and then I'm able to show them what my interpretation of what this smile may look like. It's very, very interesting, and it's quite captivating, because a lot of people really want to know.
Yeah.
And then we translate that when they decide to do treatment into a 3D prototype. Wow. And I actually fine-tune the prototype. So on the screen, I'm actually designing like an architect. Then when I get into the mouth, I'm kind of like a builder of a house. I'm kind of putting it all together. And then my master ceramist, oral design ceramist, they'll make the actual teeth.
That's so cool. And you're part of a group of 126 members, and you're one of the 6 dentists, an elite group of dentists, in a sense, that can basically just take your smile to the next level.
Exactly. I just got back from Spain where we had our member meeting. We haven't had it in 3 years. What an amazing group to meet the top laboratory technicians in the world. And our founder, Willie Geller, was there. And, you know, he's really kind of like our maestro, as we say. And, you know, working with this group of elite master ceramists really kicks up our game so we can create a nice, harmonious, pretty smile.
I'll talk about a lot of people come in, of course, they want whiter teeth, you know, especially the coffee drinkers, the tea drinkers. Tell me a little bit about that. If they just want the whiter teeth, the nicer smile, not so much of the changes there, but just a whiter smile.
Exactly. A white tooth really is a combination in our world of a palette of over 21 colors. And so, you know, most people don't want teeth that look, you know, like you're walking into the room first. So we want to create a tooth that looks like it's natural, like it's you, that you were just born with these beautiful white teeth. And so those little characteristics that the ceramist does, the master ceramist, he imparts little imperfections to create more perfect.
Oh, like here, we have a video.
Yeah, look here. This is a DSD simulation. And so this shows the possibilities of what this patient could look like at the end of our treatment. We actually share this with our laboratory, and we also share it with the patient, obviously, as well as carrying it to the final ceramic. And here's a case of a beautiful young lady. Obviously, she had some smile issues that she wasn't happy with. And look at the final porcelain. You know, those are white teeth, but they look like they're her teeth. Like maybe she just bleached, and that's what we want. We want her to come into the room first, not her teeth.
And you can just see that they're so happy. I mean, this is an emotional experience for a lot of people. You can just see it in their eyes. But I just want to give you more information out there. Oral Design Cleveland, located at 21851 Center Ridge Road, right there on your screen. You can call 888-255-3588 or go to everyonelovesmysmile.com or dental implants RockyRiver.com. So thank you so much for changing lives one smile at a time.
We're trying every day.
Thank you. And don't go anywhere, because we'll be right back with more of Good Company. Beautiful day outside.
This segment of Good Company was sponsored by Oral Design Cleveland.